Okay, students. Hello, students. This is Chiranjeevi working as a TGT English in Lotus High School. Today, let me discuss the lesson The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Before going to know some information about the lesson, let us discuss the biography of Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov, born in 1919, he was the son of a candy store owner who discovered science fiction at a young age through monthly science fiction magazines. Asimov received a PhD in chemistry at Columbia University and worked as an associate professor of biochemistry. He resigned from his post in 1958 to take up writing as a full time occupation. As a full time author, Asimov was able to significantly increase his body of work, completing over 400 stories by his death in 1992. This is the short information about his biography. Let us go to the lesson. Here we see the two characters, Maggie and Tommy. These two are the major important characters in the fiction, The Fun They Had. Here let us see Maggie and Tommy are 11 and 13-year-old children who live in the future where books are read electronically. These two children, they live in the future. So it is almost in the year 2157, May 17th. So Maggie and Tommy, these two are students in the year 2157, 17th May. So Maggie even wrote about the book in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. Here the system has slots for submitting homework and calculates their grades instantly. And one day Tommy discovers a old book in the attic. Attic, a space or room inside or partly inside the roof of a building almost. So he had found a real book. So it is different from what Tommy and Maggie consider as books because it is written on paper and bound together. It is an old book. It is something old, and this book was very old. And Maggie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him about a time all stories were printed on paper. So they turned the pages. These were wrinkled and yellow. The words stood still. They didn't move on the screen as they do now. Here now, at present, what kind of books they were using? They are almost in the field of technology. They are using the books related to electrically. And what happens? This is the book, an old book they found now. But a television screen can store millions of books and they can read them as many times as they want. Computer is a device which stores some information. So they can read the books whenever they want to read. But here, this is an old book. They can't able to get the new one. Maggie doesn't like the book very much because it is about schools. So why she doesn't like the book? She always hated schools because why? What is the reason? It was because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. She had been doing worse and worse. At last, her mother sent for the county inspector. And there is a doubt, what is there to write about school? She used to tell, but she hates the schools. Why she hate a school? So Maggie does not like school because of her mechanical teacher. So because of her mechanical teacher, she doesn't like the school. So why? What happens? Maggie's dismiss, Maggie's dismal performance made her. Okay. Maggie's dismal performance made her mother call for the county inspector. This is the reason. The county inspector, a round man with a red face, takes the teacher apart and then puts it back together. So, whenever there is a repair, and he used to come and he used to set the things. If you observe, television teacher sat right. So, the inspector was used to deal the problems. He took the television teacher away. Maggie hoped he wouldn't know how to set it right. But after 1 hour, it was brought again before her with its big screen. Lessons were shown and questions asked on it. So Maggie had hoped that he would not know how to. Even though she doesn't mind the lessons themselves, she really does not like the slot for homework and test papers. If you observe, how did she learn? So Maggie's learning is something different. She hated its slot in which she had to put her homework. She had to write them in a punch code. She had been learning since she was 6 years old. Since she was 6 years old, she used to learn. She had been learning since she was 6 years old. And what happens then? The learning system in place made her write out all her answers in punch code. So she used to use the punch code for learning. Once she submitted her work, the teacher would correct her answers and calculate the grades immediately. So, how did she learn? She learns through computers. She learns everything through computers. So, once she submitted her work, what happens? The teacher would correct her answer scripts and calculate the grades immediately. So, immediate result will be given very soon through computers. The county inspector is nice to her and defends her performance by saying that the geography section was programmed for a higher level. So, if you observe, the geography sector set right. How did this geography sector set right? The inspector smiled and patted Maggie's head. He told Maggie's mother that it was not Maggie's fault. The geography sector was geared a little too quick. He had slowed at an average 10-year level. So Maggie's progress had been quite satisfactory. Then he went away. Maggie is disappointed that the inspector will not take away the teacher. So, because Maggie hates school, she asks Tommy why anyone would write about books. So, she has many doubts in her mind regarding that book. Usually, she hates the schools. Even though she gets doubt about the schools, she asks Tommy why anyone would write about schools. So Tommy with a superior tone, he tells her that schools of world were very different from the schools they have now. So when we compare the schools of world and the schools in future, I mean in the year 2157, so completely different. There is a lot of difference between the schools right now and in the old, means the schools in the years back. In those days, the teacher who taught in schools were something different. So he has to come to the school and he has to prepare the lesson and he has to teach the lesson to the students. So almost the total school in the buildings. So in olden days, school is nothing but the buildings. The teacher will interact the students. So even Maggie does not think that a man could have such a wide knowledge of different subjects like a computer. So whenever these two were discussing about the topic regarding schools, they have many doubts. The schools in olden days and the schools in the future 2157. Now she likes her mother, believes that every child needed teaching according to their needs. So teaching is must for everyone. Why it is must? To bring out the changes in the student's mind, the teaching is must. So this teaching or the education makes the man to be alright always. So Maggie is now curious about the schools of the past. So later on she is getting very curious and she is interested to know more about the schools in the past. Why? Why she wants to know more about the schools in the past? Because of the book that reflects something different ideas to them. She reminds Maggie that it was time for her and Tommy to attend school. Now what happens? The mother reminds Maggie, okay, the mother, she calls Maggie that it was time for Maggie to go to school. So both Tommy and Maggie, they have to go to school now. So her mother reminds them that they should go to schools. So Maggie and Tommy attend school from Monday to Friday at a scheduled time. So Monday to Friday, the school timetable is fixed. Monday to Friday. So what about Saturday and Sunday? It's a holiday maybe. So they have the holiday, 2 days holiday. Only 5 working days are allotted for them. So Maggie goes back to her school room, which is next to her bedroom. So school is nothing but in her room only. So the computer screen is arranged about teacher was there and it is something different. So if you observe the school, it's something different. The schools in the past and at right now, the schools in the present, I mean, the schools in the present is something different. So everything will be taught through computers. The mechanical teacher was already lit up for her lesson. Okay, mechanical teacher was there to teach everything. But here when we compare the old schools, so there is a teacher, a person should teach the lessons on the blackboard. But here everything will be taught by the mechanical teacher, maybe the robot or maybe through the computers, maybe through the software. So the teaching will be developed. The teacher asked her to enter her homework on arithmetic in the proper slot. So now the teacher is asking the student to enter her homework. So this homework is on arithmetic in the proper slot. So the homework is on arithmetic, on fractions maybe. So Maggie can now only think of the old schools where everyone came together to study, talk and laugh. So now she has a different opinion in her mind that she can now only think of the old schools. So she wants to share her feelings with other students. So everyone will come to the school and they study there, they talk and laugh and they play. So many things will be there in the school, olden schools. So something different. But here she is not able to control herself because she is not very active enough to do this arithmetic proper fractions and all. Here, if you observe from this lesson, so here Maggie and Tommy they found a book, that is the World Book. This book tells about some information regarding the schools in the past. So usually Maggie hates the schools. So while they were going through the book, they had many things or the book. But here in the schools in the future, in the sense 17th May 2157. So what happens during that time? So we don't find any changes because a county inspector will be there. If any damage or repair comes, what happens? He used to deal all the problems. A mechanical teacher was there to teach everything. And these things happen. But here in olden days, the schools in the olden days, it's something different. So a teacher used to teach the lessons. He involves all the students. There is a building and playground, and we see the staff. There is a structure of the school: principal, vice principal, coordinators, and teachers, staff, everybody, office staff, everybody included in that. So she thinks about that school, so where everyone came together to study and talk and laugh. It's something different. If you observe this, the difference between these two schools, we can find many things. So their idea of school is a robot system, so which customizes the lessons for them and teaches them on the screen. So here a robot teacher is there to teach the lessons. Everything will be displayed on the screen. So they need not go to any school. They will be staying in the house itself, and they teach, and the robots will teach the lesson, or otherwise he can learn through computers or through software. So in the form of this robot and computers, they can get. But whereas the world schools are something different, they give more knowledge and they can get a freedom there in the school, that is old school. So we can see many differences from these two schools. Maggie and Tommy feel that their television screen is much better than an old book, which can be discarded when you are done reading it. So what happens if you observe? Usually when we compare the screen of the computer and the papers of the book, so the comparison can be seen from this slide. So this comparison made them that the television screen is much better than an old book. This can be discarded. So when you are done reading it, so when they read, so they can get a clear description on the screen of the computer. But this old book, there are many damages and the pages are torn. So it is something old and they can't find the letters very clearly. This is a drawback of that book. If you observe the lesson, we can get many things from this lesson. Here at last, this Maggie thinks of old schools. She continues her thinking about old schools. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen the fractions of a question. Maggie was thinking about how the kids must have loved the school in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So usually going to the school and playing with our co-mates, our friends, it's really something different. Even Maggie's school time, here mother Jones used to call and reminds them that they should go to a school. Here, if you observe, so while the teacher flashes the fractions on the screen, Maggie dreams of how the children must have loved school in the olden days. What I have discussed now. If you observe the schools in the future and the schools in the present situation. Here, Maggie and Tommy, these two are main characters in the play. So Maggie writes about a book on her diary, page headed 17th May 2157. The book was very old with wrinkled and yellow pages. So the words stood still and didn't move on the screen. And Tommy called it waste of time. They threw the telebooks after reading. So Maggie hated her teleschool. It was because her mechanical teacher had been giving her tests after tests. She had been doing worse and worse. She felt relieved when the mechanical teacher got some problem, but her mother called the county inspector who took the teacher away. Okay, Tommy told Maggie about old school. So as Tommy told her about old schools, so Maggie's interest grew in them. In old schools, the teacher told the boys and girls things together, okay, and gave homework. All the kids in the neighborhood came laughing and shouting. They sat together and learned the same thing. They could help one another in their homework. And also, the teachers were human beings there in olden schools. So Maggie was lost in thinking of these schools. She wanted the fun the students in the old schools had. So meanwhile, her mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen the fractions of a question. She hated it as she yearned for the old schools. Previously, she hates the schools. But now, whenever she thought about the old schools, she was very interested in listening about the old schools. And when Tommy and Maggie, these two were very curious to know about this school, so they were very happy to discuss this school in the past. So this is the summary of the lesson. And also, I would like to give an assignment for you. So write the summary of the lesson. Write the summary of the lesson from beginning to end. This is your homework. Write the summary of the lesson. The main characters. What do they reflect? And the differences between the schools in the olden days and the schools at present now. The schools in the after 2157 years. So schools in the olden days and schools in the after 2157 years. So the differences between these both the schools. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.